Yo, yo, slap on your gloves, grab your tools of choice, and hey, meet me in your kitchen, y'all. Hey, I want to welcome you back to my channel. I am your man. Keep a cup can cook. Hey, I know you read that title, and I'm gonna get right to it, y'all, because this is another one of those episodes. It's been a long time, y'all. So hey, that was then. And we're gonna get into the now. Hey, how many of y'all remember that chicken and rice soup by Campbell's, y'all? Hey, that was one of the staple soups in the home, y'all. Hey, I remember back in the day, y'all. This is going all the way back to the lunchbox days. Hey, remember when we had that lunchbox with that thermos? Hey, had that $6 million man on there? Come on, y'all. Let me know what you're thinking if you remember that. Hey, we had that little thermos, heated it up, filled that thermos up, and then in school, we'd take the top off. Hey, never could find no chicken in it. You know that. You know what I'm talking about, y'all. Hey, but we gonna get into the now. What we got right here, y'all, I got me a pot. We're gonna start off with a little bit of olive oil because we're gonna do something special to this. We're gonna hit it up with 2 tablespoons of this good olive oil. And then we're gonna hit it up with a small sprig of rosemary, y'all. We just wanna get it infused, get that olive oil infused in there with that rosemary, y'all. All right, but then we're gonna turn to one of the stars of the show. While that oil is infusing, let's bump the heat onto a real, well, it's on a low, so we're gonna keep it right there at the low. But we're gonna talk about these chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, y'all. We just gonna hit it up with a little bit of seasoning blend. I got like a tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of smoked paprika, and a teaspoon of black pepper, y'all. And we're gonna keep it simple, because we got a lot of fantastic things going in here, y'all. So we don't want to over season it, but we don't want to under season it either, y'all. You know what I'm talking about. So once we got this blend all mixed together, what we gonna do, we just gonna season it. Season our chicken on both sides, y'all. If you do one side, show love to the other side as well. Ain't nobody privileged in here. So we're gonna show the same love. That's right, y'all. Show that same love and affection to both sides. Equal opportunities right here. You know what I'm talking about. All right, now we got our chicken seasoned up well, y'all. All right, we want to sit that to the side till we're ready for it. We still allowing this oil to get infused with that rosemary, and I'm smelling it already, y'all. Smelling good. Hey, I am your man. Keep a cup can cook, and I'm telling you, y'all, that was then. We're getting into the now. We're gonna go through a little roll call. You already met the star of the show. The other star, this long grain, parboiled white rice, y'all. That's a cup. Got a cup. Hey, all the specific measurements and ingredients will be listed in the description box below. I got that mirepoix, y'all. Onions, celery, and carrots. Got a half a cup on each. I got 4 ounces, y'all, of these white bella mushrooms. I know you ain't never seen no mushrooms. You ain't never seen no mushrooms in there, did you? Matter of fact, you ain't seen no vegetables either. But hey, this is optional right here, y'all. This that red bell pepper right here, y'all. Hey, strictly optional. That was the last little piece I had in my fridge. I thought, hey, why not put it in there for a little pop of color, y'all? Got me a tablespoon. Tablespoon fresh thyme. Tablespoon fresh oregano. Tablespoon fresh garlic. All right, we got 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, y'all. I got my good friend. That's right, the crushed red pepper flakes. Matter of fact, we going in with them right now. Now that's just like a quarter of a teaspoon. We want to allow those dehydrated red pepper flakes to come alive, y'all. So get them in there early so they can begin to sprout, begin to hydrate. That you could get the flavor profile from it. Anything that's dehydrated, y'all, you gotta get it in there early so you can open them up, rehydrate them, make them come alive, y'all. Make them stand tall in there. And that's what we doing today, y'all. All right, I'm gonna bump this heat up to a medium high. Let me get me a pair of tongs. Cause what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fish that sprig of rosemary out of there because hey, my kitchen is already permeated with it, with that rosemary, y'all. Hey, it has infused that olive oil, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna sear our chicken off, y'all. We're gonna bring some color profile to it, y'all. Trust the process on this right here, y'all. And if you're liking the video so far, y'all, that was then. This is now. Hey, you already know what to do. Give me that thumbs up, y'all. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to me, y'all. And get ready, y'all, to share this video with everybody that you know. And let them know there's another channel out here, y'all. He's doing it. All right, y'all. We're going to go ahead and fish this sprig out. I tell you, it has done its job, y'all. And I'm loving it. I'm loving that smell. But what we want to do, we're going to continue to allow those red pepper flakes to come alive. You can even tell how bigger the seeds have gotten because they hydrating, y'all. They sprouting. They bringing forth the abundance of the flavor that's in them. And that's what you gotta do, y'all. That is what you gotta do. Now what we gonna do is go ahead and sear this chicken off on both sides. That's right. Whatever seasoning want to come down, hey, go ahead and put it on in there. We just want to develop a little bit of color on there, y'all. I ain't gonna be before you very long. I'm already excited on how this gonna taste, y'all. versus that was then. Wait for it. Wait for it. Come on, y'all, let me know. How many of y'all remember the $6 million man on that metal lunchbox and on that thermos that was inside the lunchbox? Man, they need to come back with those, man. They need to come back with them lunchboxes like that. Bad boy kept your stuff cold and thermos kept your stuff hot. Or vice versa. Hey, they did the right thing. They did their job. Hey, very impressed. Probably can't bring them back now because folks act the food, you know what I'm saying? Hey, they probably use those as weapons now, you know, because they were metal back in the day. But hey, I'm going to tell y'all something, man. When I was in the store today, man, with so many people, it seemed like people were getting masked up again, y'all. So I was just in there strolling, just trying to figure out what I wanted to eat for the day. And I seen so many people looking sickly, and actually on my job, people taking off because they still getting sick and COVID still flying around. And I was like, hey, what better way, y'all? Hey, the temperature, man, it's dropping down into the 20s tonight. Hey, what better way, y'all, than do an episode of That Was Then. This is now. That's all we want to do, y'all. We want to develop a little color on them, y'all. Develop some color. By no means is it done. But we gonna get there. That's right. I am your man. You know. You already know. This is time. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it up with 2 tablespoons of this butter, y'all. We're gonna infuse some butter into it. Butter makes everything better, right? Now we got that butter in that rosemary infused oil. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm gonna tell you what, Campbell's, if you're out there listening to me, give me a call and I'll bring this back to life. I am your man. Keep a Cup can cook. And that was then. Stay tuned, y'all, for this is now. We're just gonna roll these around in that good butter right there. I'm gonna bring my pan back into place. So we get ready to pull these out, y'all. There you have it, y'all. But by no means are they done. But we just wanted to develop some color on there, y'all. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the other 2 tablespoons of butter, y'all. I told you, butter makes everything better. We still on a medium high, y'all. We going in with that half a cup of diced onion, y'all. Pinch of salt, just to help sweat them out. Sweat the oil, sweat that water out of there. That it could begin to develop this flavor that's already in the pot. But yeah, it seemed like a lot of people was getting sick again, y'all. So, hey, that's why my mind just, it clicked on that soup instantly, y'all. We got to begin to get them hot soups back into our bodies, y'all. Hey, that ain't nothing but that healing, y'all. We going in with the whole mirepoix, y'all. Onions, celery, and carrots. Let everything get lubricated. It's gonna come back up to temp. I'm not gonna be before you very long. Now we're gonna hit it up with that pop of color, that red bell pepper. We're gonna bump it up just a little bit to a high. I'm telling you, y'all, if you're liking the video so far, definitely give me that thumbs up, y'all. Hit it up with some black pepper, y'all. And I mean, these vegetables, y'all, got my kitchen smelling great. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right, now, here we go. Garlic. Going in. And I want it all. Love me some garlic, y'all. Oregano. Thyme. Flavor profile has just jumped up. If y'all was standing right over this pot like me, almost made me want to sing. But I ain't gonna sing today, y'all, because I told you I ain't gonna be before you very long. After a minute of stirring that garlic in there, we want to hit it up with this 4 ounces. The white bella mushrooms right here, y'all. Mushrooms is like a sponge. See, when you thought it was too much liquid down in there, too much butter and thing, no. That mushroom soaks it up like a sponge, y'all. It takes on that flavor. Man, I love it, man. Love me some good mushrooms. About to introduce this rice. Uncooked, yeah, that is, y'all. Uncooked. Want to get it introduced. Want to toast it up. Get it toasted and all of that goodness down in there. Let it go a couple of minutes toasting up. You want every grain of that rice to be lubricated. Do not skip one of these steps, y'all. Trust this process. I am your man. Keep a cup can cook. All right now. That was then. Get ready, y'all. Get ready, y'all. All right, we're getting ready to bring the chicken back into plate. We're gonna nestle that down in there. And these juices, that's right. You want all of that. We want all of that. Now we're going in with this chicken broth, y'all. Let it do its thing. It's gonna come back up to a boil. We on a high temp right now. We on a high temp right now. If I can open, okay, there we go. Eight cups of broth, y'all. We're gonna give that a little stir. We're gonna hit it up with a little bit of parsley, just for proper freshness and proper color. Get that a little swirl around. All right, y'all, you already know the routine. You know what's coming next. We're about to pop this veil on, y'all. We're gonna allow it to come up to a rolling boil, and then we're gonna bring that temp down to a medium, y'all, and we just gonna have a nice little simmering little boil, y'all. Hey, I am your man, Keep a Cup Can Cook, and I tell you, y'all, I'll be back. That was then. Wait for it, y'all, because this is now. And I'll be back. All right, y'all, I am your man, Keep a Cup Can Cook, and we into that episode. That was then. This is now. Hey, we 25 minutes into the cook process, y'all. What I did, I went on here, took the chicken out, grabbed 2 forks, shredded it up. Hey, you can shred it up more if you want, or you can have it just like this, a little chunky and a little more shredded. It's up to you, because it's yours. That's right. Hey, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the veal. Back off. And we're just gonna go ahead and slowly introduce this chicken back into the soup, y'all. This is what? Chicken and rice. Now every 5-6 minutes I did come around, stir the pot. You want to make sure your rice is not sticking to the bottom of your pot, y'all. Now once you got your chicken back incorporated back into it, give it one last little swirl, y'all. Cause we almost to the finish line, y'all. We almost to the finish line. That was then. We getting into the now, y'all. Come on, I am your man. Keep a Cup Can Cook. And hey, you already know the deal. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up, y'all. If you're new to the channel, how about you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, y'all. And everybody share this video with everybody that you know. And let them know there's another channel out here, y'all. Oh man, he is doing it. He even trying to give us some healing with this big pot of chicken and rice soup. That's right, y'all. I am your man. Keep a cup. Yes, you can. Cook. I'll be back. All right, y'all. Once again, I am your man. Keep a Cup Can Cook. And hey, you already know what we doing. Another episode. That was then. This is now. Hey, I'm telling you, y'all, my kitchen is smelling amazing. This actually took real time, about 42 minutes, I'm gonna say. I'm gonna pop this veal off. I done let this thing cool down, y'all, for 10 whole minutes because I ain't want y'all to, hey, I ain't want to burn my mouth for y'all, put it like that. So I done let the thing cool down for 10 minutes with the veal on. Hey, we gonna go ahead and bring the plating on deck, y'all, because hey, I'm hungry. I gotta feed this. And hey, let's just get to it, y'all. Another strong episode. That was then. And this is now. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all, Campbell's, still love them, but this has not changed in probably, I know for a fact, 60 years. It hasn't changed. Only thing that has changed is the price and the cap. Now they got, you can pop it off. Remember, you know, we used to have to use a knife and pry them bad boys open. If your can opener, you know, couldn't, you know them can openers back in the day, they didn't make it. We just used a knife, you know what I'm saying? Just go around the can lid and just pop it off and everything. Come on, y'all. Don't act like you're brand new. Like you don't know what I'm talking about. Come on, y'all. If you're down in my age group, you know what I'm talking about that. You know what I'm talking about the $6 million man lunchbox and thermos? Come on, y'all. But this is the only thing you don't know about right here. That was then. Hey, let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it, y'all. This is now. We done allowed it to chill out a little bit. Hey, look at it, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's get a big bowl of this, y'all. Hey, this ain't nothing but that healing right here, y'all. Just that healing. That's just the first. Oh, come on, y'all. Get with me. Trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. Oh my. What you think about it, y'all? That's definitely healing for the soul. Oh man. Man, we could stick a fork in another episode of That Was Then. This is now. We're gonna push that off the screen. You already know what we getting prepared to do. That's right, y'all. I gotta hit it up with another pop of color. Just for the camera's sake. Just for the camera's sake. Come on, y'all. Get with your man. Keep a cup can cook. Get with your man. Keep a cup can cook. Need I say more? Need I say more? Come on. Let's go in for the taste test, y'all. But before I do, if you're new to the channel, be for sure, subscribe to me. Give me that thumbs up, everybody. And share the video. Let everybody know there's another channel out here, y'all. He doing it. And his name is Keep a Cup Can Cook. Hey, I want to ask y'all a question though. I'm a saltine man. Or y'all oyster cracker person? Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what you're thinking. Saltines, oyster crackers. Definitely this though. Come on, y'all. Let's go in. Let's go in. Hey, it done cooled down enough. I'm tired of running my mouth. Hey, let's go in for the taste test, y'all. Hey, just the broth alone, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. Boy, you best to get you some of this. I'm telling you. Woo. Oh my goodness. Y'all, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to take all of this to the next room. I'm gonna devour it, y'all. It's soup for my soul, y'all. Oh man, I'm telling you, y'all, Trust this process. I like Campbell still, but that was then. This is now. I am your man. Keep a cup can cook. Hey, I'm out of here, y'all. Bye.